Good, lovely morning. I hope you're doing great, doing awesome. This is just a tip for you to start your day to get so energetic about doing something different. Try to read a book. Hopefully, I'm going to design a lesson for you to encourage you to read. So my plan today is to sketch up 4 or 5 ideas that I will present to you subsequently in the upcoming videos, and they are going to be about encouraging you to read, encouraging you to listen more. There's an application on App Store and Google Play. It's called NPR One. Go ahead and install it in your phone. Try to listen every day to news from all the world. It's a great app. I listen to it every single day. Every single day I listen to the app on my phone, and if you can listen here, probably it's downloaded.
You're listening to NPR.
See?
Live from NPR News, I'm Shay Stevens. President Biden says that he sees no change in posture from Russian forces.
So,
as NPR's Franco Ordonez reports, Biden says that predicting what Russia's leader will do is...
There's one single button in this app that you can just press, and then you start ahead and listen. You can plug in your headphones and listen on your way. Of course, we get stuck in traffic for more than an hour every single day. So that's going to help you a lot. Brush up your vocabulary, brush up your listening. You always have to work hard on your listening. So think of that as an application to improve your listening passively. If you are not actively listen to something or you feel distracted, instead of listening to random rubbish Iraqi songs, maybe you can, squeeze in a little bit of active, productive listening to news. So you learn vocabulary. Have a notebook next to you, small little one, and then use it as a notebook to take and learn the new vocabulary that you have. Listen to in the recording. Have a wonderful day.